Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Perceptor. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing Llama 2 on Google Cloud. So follow me along on Google Cloud Console. So here I'm logged into my Google Cloud Console. I'll head into the Vertex AI service. Right, so here if you see, there is a model garden. So here it is kind of a repository that hosts different kind of large language models, foundational models. So you can choose any of the model of your choice. So here, this is the model that we are going to deploy. So in order to deploy, you need to kind of try the deployed model as well over here. Instead of that, we'll be deploying directly from here. So just click on deploy. Okay. Of course, this screen lists you this is kind of a model card, we can say. It lists down the overview, use cases, the documentation is also available. A lot of technical stuff and details are available over here. Okay. So here you can just simply deploy the foundational model from Model Garden. And if you're looking to fine tune, you can fine tune as well. Okay, so we'll be deploying it. Kind of one-click deploy. Just enter the name, endpoint, and region, and hit deploy button. Okay. So after hitting the deploy button, I've already deployed this model, so I'm quickly going to show you how it looks. So if you scroll down over here, right, from the Vertex AI service, you got to scroll down over here in the bottom. You'll find model registry. Simply click on that. It is going to be going to list you the deployed model over here. It is saying it's imported, source is Model Garden, and kind of deployed. Clicking on this model, it's gonna show you the endpoint details as well. Okay, so here is the endpoint ID, and a lot of other details are available. Okay, so I'll show you how you can kind of test this model. Okay, so just hit. Okay, so here is the way you can test your model. So this is the JSON you need to frame instances. Inside that we have a prompt key with the value this, and of course remember to put max tokens. Like these are the maximum number of tokens you want to get out of this model, and hit on predict. Well, so as you can see, it has returned us this output. We have asked it to write a Python code. It has correctly kind of framed it. Okay. So that's the thing. It also returns the deployed model ID along with the model information and model version ID. So that's it for this session. In the next session, we are going to look into how you can deploy this, how you can access this endpoint of this particular deployed model. So stay tuned for the next session. Thanks for watching this video.